Businesses choose us because we deliver consistent professional results. Our equipment, trucks, and technicians are built for high traffic environments, large and small. We help your facility look its best. Every day, we work on your schedule. Evenings, weekends, no downtimes.
So I'm an air duct crew chief. I basically run the job and make sure that everything is going well. We go out there, we clean their air ducts, we help them out regarding their air quality inside their homes and make sure that everything is nicely sanitized. We do follow the National Air Duct Cleaning Association requirements when we do our air duct cleaning. We are very well trained on the trucks and with the equipment that we use. We draw suction to the truck from the air duct system, and then we go one by one to each air duct or vent. We take down the vent, we sanitize the vent, and we also brush and sanitize the air duct. We also clean inside the air handlers, the coils and the blower. And we also do dry vent cleaning, and we make sure that there's no lint inside of the dry vents.
We clean hospitals, theaters, nightclubs. We also clean, hotels and motels. Just a plethora of things. It's not just, cleaning commercial buildings. It's cleaning bigger name facilities on a consistent basis.
I have been with Stanley Steemer for about 4 or 5 months. I remember on my first day, I knew absolutely nothing. Now I'm starting to identify what sort of stuff I'm looking for, whether I should be pointing out microbial growth, whether this is an issue or if it's something normal. The opportunity that I've got here with these guys is crazy. You're never stopping learning, that's for sure.
If you're ready for a professional cleaning, you can book your service today by clicking the link below.
Stanley Steemer gets your